This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Hearthstone Arena. Arena is a unique game mode where you build a deck on the fly. You start by selecting one of 3 random classes, then draft 30 cards, one at a time, from sets of 3 choices. Your objective is to achieve 12 wins before suffering 3 losses. The more wins you accumulate, the better your rewards will be, often including gold, arcane dust, and card packs. It's a fantastic way to test your deck building and strategic skills. When drafting your arena deck, a balanced mana curve is crucial for consistent plays throughout the game. Prioritize cards that offer immediate value or impact the board state right away. While synergy is good, the raw power of individual cards often takes precedence in Arena. A good rule of thumb is to aim for around 15 to 17 minions in your 30-card deck, ensuring you have enough presence to contest the board effectively. During gameplay, maintaining board control is paramount. Trade your minions efficiently to clear your opponent's threats while preserving your own. Knowing when to push for lethal damage on your opponent's hero versus making value trades is a critical decision. Don't forget to utilize your hero power. Even small advantages from it can accumulate over several turns. Always try to anticipate your opponent's next moves and play around their potential cards. To truly maximize your arena wins, familiarize yourself with the common archetypes and strengths of each class. Pay attention to your opponent's hand size and the cards they've played to infer what might still be in their deck. Consistent practice is key to refining both your drafting choices and your in-game decision-making. Remember, reaching 7 wins in an arena run typically guarantees that you'll earn back the 150 gold entry fee, making it a very rewarding experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.